welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to do some fun hairstyles. I feel like I don't do them enough on my channel and I'm really excited for this. Just show some like creativity and then some inspo for you. We're gonna hop to that in a second. I'm going to be using the Hairitage by Mindy black shoelace hair ties. These are so cute. Hairitage by Mindy is one of my favorite curly hair products brands. Actually, it's not even a curly hair brand, it's just a hair brand. But I use a lot of their products. We've had some of their products before inside of Curls Monthly, and these are in May 2024 Curls Monthly. They're so cute. I also love how it's like not just a regular shoelace, like they're really stretchy and soft, and they sort of give that shoelace look. I also love that they're sort of like a mixture between like coquette and like that like punky thing that's been going on. It's sort of like the perfect crossover between the two. So I think they're so cute. They're so trendy. I'm really excited to incorporate these in some hairstyles. So let's hop to it. Okay, so the first hairstyle we're going to do is pretty easy. Basically, we're going to do sort of a variation of like a half up, half down style, like a little pigtail thing. It's very in right now, very coquette. But basically because I have bangs, I'm gonna leave my bangs out. If you didn't have bangs, you would just part your hair in the middle. My hair is parted beyond the bangs, so you just part your hair. And then just where your temple is, you're going to take some type of comb and you are going to create a line at your temple just so you get a nice straight line and we're not like zigzagging. Then you're going to take just a little mini hair tie and you are going to tie this section back pretty far back on your head. I think if you tie it up super front, you kind of look like an insane person. So you want to kind of like tie it so it's sort of facing the back. Just like this. Now you could definitely sort of like slick back these areas right here to make them like super slick. I kind of like for this hairstyle for it to look like a little bit more messy, more relaxed. So I'm not going to do that. But again, on this side, I'm just gonna kind of section this area out so there's a nice even part there. And same thing, take a hair tie and just tie that around. Creating that nice part with the comb definitely makes taking these hair ties out a lot easier. So that's always nice. Super cute already. Now we're going to take these fun shoelace hair ties and I am going to create cute bows around the hair. Now the hair ties are kind of long, so I am going to wrap them around a few times. So that's one time. And then I'm going to wrap it around again. Just to take away a little bit of the length. And then I am going to just bow the hair. Now, if you want like a perfect bow and one that's not like all wonky, you want to actually go the opposite when you make like kind of your bunnies and you're about to like tie your bow. You want to go the opposite way than you normally would. And that gives you that like nice straight bow as opposed to like the bow that is all wonky. Okay, there's one. We're looking cute. And shoelace bow number 2. Again, I'm tying it around twice. Tying the bow. I also think what helps like look cute is kind of once you tie the bow to like pull the strings out so the bow is not so big but the strings are hanging down. I think that just like looks so cute. There we go, entering my coquette era. Hairstyle number 2, we're going to do a bit of a play on bubble braids. For this, I am going to keep my bangs out. Again, if you don't have bangs, you can just take some front pieces out, which I think would look really pretty. And I am going to tie a ponytail just a few inches from the nape of my neck. And then I also like to kind of like make this a little messy. So it like kind of purposefully is playing into the curls. And then I'm going to take a small clear elastic and tie that one time around my hair. Now, if you have thinner hair, you can tie it twice, but my hair is quite thick. So I'm just tying it one time, just like that. And then to reinforce it, I'm going to put another one around it just for extra hold. Then I'm going to take more clear elastics and I'm going to bubble braid. So basically the way you do that is about 1 or 2 inches down from the last place you put an elastic, you're going to put the next elastic. So you can see how I did that right there. An inch or two down from that, you put another elastic. You can see what we're getting at here. And then in another inch or two, another elastic. And you just keep going down your hair until most of it is in elastics. Once it all is in the bubble braid, then you are going to kind of more so play up the bubbles. So you can kind of take and start at the top and just sort of like stretch the bubbles out so they're a little bit more like playful and messy. Looks so fun and cute. Then I'm going to take the Hairitage shoelace hair ties and I'm going to tie one at the very top of my braid and one at the bottom. Here is the final result. So fun, it's so playful, it's so cute, it's so bow girl. I love this. And last but not least, I'm most excited for this last one, if I do say so myself. You're going to take a comb and right above your ear, you're going to take that comb and draw a line going back. So that's going to create a specific part for you. So you're able to do this hairstyle without getting hair kind of like knotted and tangled within it. So again, other side. Once you have your hair sectioned off, you can take a brush and then that will just help neatly pull this section back a little bit further. I'm not doing a total slick back, but I am going to make it a little bit more neat than the other hairstyles. I also definitely want my part to still kind of be there to really give this style the look it's supposed to have. And then you want to tie your hair kind of a little lower, almost like in the middle of your head. Okay. So once that's tied, I am then going to take a spray bottle and spray down this ponytail till it's pretty dang wet. Doing this will really help us on the next part, and it also makes the hairstyle like that much more fun. Once that's pretty wet, you're going to take your brush and actually brush your ponytail. So once your hair is in the ponytail and your ponytail is wet, you're going to actually split the ponytail in two. And on one side of the ponytail, you are just going to braid that section. So after you split it in two sections, you're then going to split it in three sections so you can braid it. And then just put an elastic at the bottom. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of that ponytail. So break the other half into three sections so you can braid it. And then, of course, tie it at the ends. So now our hair is in these two little sections, and you can either, of course, place a bow right at the top, but I am going to tie a bow to both of these little braids. I think it's so fun, it's so cute, it's also like so trendy. And there we go. So cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love those hairstyles. Make sure you save this video so you can always revert back and do these hairstyles yourself. And I will see you next time.